So you have a Fitbit Charge 5 and you have an issue where you have like a black screen. Even though it's a black screen, you know that it's on. Maybe you can feel it vibrate. Maybe you get notifications coming in. Or even if you go ahead and plug it in, take note that this one's fixed, but even if you have a black screen and you go ahead and attach it to your charger, you still should feel it vibrate. You just still have a black screen. Okay, I'll show you how to get you up and running right now. First thing to note, if you grab your charging cable to your Fitbit Charge 5, if you look near the USB part, there's like a little button right here, okay? So let's go ahead and plug this in to a USB port there, and let's go ahead and connect this. Make sure it's connected properly, metal contact to metal contact, all right there. There we go. Now let's go ahead and pretend my screen is black, okay? Now what we need to do is this, that little button on there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna press it 3 times, okay? Wait 1 second each. And what this is going to do is going to force it to restart. Okay, so here's the button here. We'll do it together. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. I just felt it vibrate. Pretend my screen is still black here. Now just wait 1 moment. Just be patient. I just felt it vibrate again. Now we should see a Fitbit logo appear. Now give it 1 second to boot up normally. Okay, just felt it vibrate. And now I can see the how much battery juice I have on there. And now your screen should be working. Okay, now if it's not, go ahead and try this again, and you may have to try it a few more times. Okay, anyway, good luck guys.